Hello, welcome to Remous Print and Happy New Year. And crikey, where on earth did 2025 go? Just wanted to jump on and give you a quick update on some of the things that we've been up to and perhaps some of the things that we're going to be doing in 2026. 2025 saw us install our new press, which is always exciting, but to step up from B2 to SRA1 was quite a leap for us. And the new technology that came with it has been fantastic. Really excited, really getting some great results, which hopefully you've seen on some of your printed work from us. Last year we also took on our apprentice Archie, which has been a great addition to the team, and it's great to be able to pass on some of the secrets and the industry knowledge that we've got to the new generation. Believe it or not, there is a new generation of people coming through in the print industry, and we're very proud to be a part of that. We also, just before Christmas, installed solar panels, so we've now got a 96 kilowatt system on the roof of the factory, which I think it means 35% pretty much of our electricity across a year will be generated just by the sun, which is fantastic. It's reduced our carbon footprint. It also means that we can add capacity, which means we are looking at some new installs in 2026. We've got a new folding line going in at our site at Wincanton, for example. And we've got some exciting things coming in terms of team and network here at Remous Print. So we're always working to try and bring you better quality, better speed, better pricing, but most of all to have a great team here that are grateful to work with you. So thanks a lot. Let's have a great 2026. Bye-bye.